Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Srinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about how we can take charge of production of excess oil on our face. Most of the people have oily skin, most of the people with Pitta body type, they are more prone to acne, pimples, and they have mostly oily skin. And many times this happen, like we suffer with acne, we suffer with excess sebum production, that is excessive oil on the skin, but we do not know what is the root cause of that. And for removing these oils we are using a lot of astringents on our skin. Sometimes these astringents contain excessive alcohol and they just dry out our skin totally, like whole our skin becomes dry out, and when it dry out completely it start producing more and more oil because body thinks okay your skin is totally dry, so you are getting removing oil and more oil has been produced on the skin. When excess sebum produced by the skin, then these pores get clogged, and when they get clogged, definitely it is a site of infection for various kind of bacterias, and most of the times it causes painful pimples, especially pimples with redness, and it stays for long because the pores are clogged in that area. So that's why it becomes extremely important that we need to understand our skin type, and if it is producing excessive sebum, we need to understand what is the root cause of it. And many times root cause is not only superficial. Ayurveda has a speciality to deal with the root cause that resides deep, and most of the times it is related with digestive fire and other our lifestyle things, how we are living our lifestyle, that makes a lot of impact, how we look, how is our skin, how much oil production is there naturally within the skin, and how we can deal with the problems of acne. So let's try to understand what Ayurveda has to speak about it and how we can make use of Ayurveda to reduce the production of excessive sebum or excessive oil on our skin. In Ayurveda, whenever we look at somebody's skin, it not only gives information about the face skin, but it also gives many times information about your body health, because many times these skin problems are, especially these pimples and these acne, they are happening because of deeper imbalances in Vata or Kapha dosh. And in Ayurveda we don't treat problems only on surface level, but we try to remove the root cause of the problems. That's why Ayurveda involves a lot of lifestyle modifications, and in Ayurveda a lot of focus has been given on diet, how you eat, when you eat, what you eat, and how you sleep, how much time you give to yoga or exercises. It is very important for our health and even for the health of the skin. In Ayurveda, we know there are three kinds of doshas: Vata dosha, Pitta dosha and Kapha dosha. Many times it happens when there is imbalance in Vata dosha, it also affects skin, or imbalance in Pitta dosha, it also causes skin problems, or sometimes Kapha dosha also cause skin problems. So let's try to understand how what the most common problems these doshas can cause. So first comes the Vata dosha. Whenever there is a Vata imbalance, what happens, it is responsible for more of these scars on the skin. Many scars happens on the skin, especially these blackheads. The main reason for these blackheads is Vata dosha. Because of imbalance of Vata dosha, it happens like there is excessive production of oil, because body gets signal like there is not enough oil on the skin. So that's why the bodily intelligence, it creates more and more oil on the skin, which cause excessive oil production, which ultimately cause in clogging pores, which looks like blackheads. So if somebody has excessive blackheads, means there is imbalance in Vata dosha. Whenever Pitta dosha is imbalanced, what happens means a lot of toxins in the system, and it causes a lot of pimples, or there is some red painful kind of pimples, like it has pain also, and there is red inflammatory pimples which are very visible and they are very painful. and most of the times they are very prone to bacteria, these places, and that's why most inflammation happens and redness happens, and it stays for 1 or 2 days. Many times these pustules also, they got converted into pustules. So this happens when you have a lot of toxins in the system. These kind of problems happens to pitta body type people, and it is mostly related with digestive fire imbalance. And whenever there is excessive kapha imbalance, so most of the times with kapha people, skin is good, but if there is imbalance in kapha, that especially to skin area, what happens, there is a formation of cyst. It's very common, like this cysts started developing in the skin, and this face becomes very damp, like very it feels like very heavy kind, like not neat. So this happens when you have kapha imbalance. The good thing is, definitely a different kind of person have different these acne problems because of different reasons. Some people have hormonal imbalances that also causes these kind of acne problems. Some people have stress related problems, like if suddenly you are going through certain stress for which you are not prepared. It can be emotional stress, it can be relationship stress, or it can be deep down in our memories, some pains which we are carrying forward from our previous life which we have spent in a certain situations, and we are just holding to that memory, and sometimes this also expresses itself and it also causes pimples. So there are many reasons for various kind of people, but here in this video I am just going to talk about the general universal things which people can make use of it and do to get rid of this excess oil which cause unnecessary inflammation on the skin and acne. So what are the universal things that you can do for getting rid of these pimples? So most of the times who are watching me for the first time, they have no idea what is this kapha body type, pitta body type, or what I am talking about. So there is a video about dosha series. You can go to this dosha series video. You can answer the 9 questions that I have asked, and I will let you know which body type you belong to. So this is one way of knowing your body type, and there is a link below in the description. You can go to description and see the link. So this is one way to knowing your body type or body constitution, and this whole video is about how body constitution is defined in Ayurveda, because Ayurveda is not just a word, it has vast topics that has been covered under Ayurveda. So I am trying to take one topic one by one and sharing it with people so that people can make use of Ayurveda and the knowledge that has been given 5,000 years back in Ayurveda and in the classical texts like Charak Samhita, Sushruta Samhita, and people can make use of it and make their life healthy. So this is one way that you can do it. So what you can do to reduce this excessive oil production, one thing is enhance fruits in your diet. Fruits are very beneficial for the health of the skin. So you always enhance fruits in your diet. Try to have more and more seasonal fruits and seasonal vegetables. They are much more beneficial for your health. In addition to that, if you are feeling there is excessive oil production or excessive acne on the skin, cut down the sugar products from your diet. Take no sugar, no artificial sugar you take, and even jaggery you can stop. You can have honey, but these jaggery you stop, and all the sugary products or artificial sugars definitely you need to cut down. If you are going through some kind of acne and these kind of problems with the skin and excessive oil production, please cut down your sugar level. In addition to that, you please reduce the spicy content in your food. Try to use less and less spices, only the needful spices you use, especially pitta body type people who are more prone to acne and pimples. Please reduce the spices content in your food, because spices are very hot in potency, and if pimples and these kind of things are coming on your skin, that means already body in the state of a lot of heat in the system. So that's why try to reduce things which are very hot in potency. It also includes coffee, chocolates, because it comes under artificial sweeteners, so you need to cut down it. But if you want to have chocolate, you can do this thing, like you have your food and then have a little bite of chocolate, if you cannot live without chocolate, but you need to cut it down. At the same time, you need to reduce your ice cream. I know everybody loves ice cream, but because if you want to get rid of these pimples and these kind of acne, you need to reduce your ice cream. Actually, you need to stop this ice cream for some days till you don't get rid of all these acne problems. After that you can start, but before that, till these acne problems are there, you need to cut down these things. So, these things are very hot in potency, you need to reduce it, and if you reduce it, it will help the body to heal back, and it also will help your body to make the heat in the system lower. In addition to that, when you see like there is excessive production of oil on the skin, you try to keep yourself hydrated. How you will keep yourself hydrated? Try to have more water, that is minimum 6 to 8 glasses of water you must drink, because water will help you to reduce the heat in the system. But don't overuse water. That means once pimples get normal or these acne become normal, after that you can reduce, but till then you try to have minimum 8 to 9 glasses of water throughout the day. In the same time, you can have more salads in your diet and more fruit juices, more fruits. It's very beneficial. But when I am saying fruit juices, I am not saying like go to the market, take a can of fruit juice and start drinking it, not that one, but you fresh take out your, if you want to have fruit juice, you take out fresh by yourself, make it, take a fruit and put in a this juicer and then take out this juice. It is very beneficial. At the same time, this carrot juice is very beneficial for skin. Carrot and beetroot juice, this you just mix in your juicer carrot and beetroot, 2 carrots and 1 beetroot. Beetroot has a lot of juice, so this juice is also very beneficial, but make sure this beetroot is fully ripe. Then add little bit of pepper and little bit of salt in it, and you can even drink it empty stomach. It is very beneficial for skin, and it also helps to remove all the toxins from the system, and also it is very cooling in potency, so it is very beneficial for you. At the same time, if you are using some kind of astringent which contains a lot of alcohol, you stop using that astringent for your skin. Rather, in place of that astringent, you use this brown chickpeas powder. It is very beneficial for your skin. It is very easily available in the market in the purest form, and you add pinch of turmeric into it, and it will become a very good scrub. And this scrub you can apply on your face. Add little bit of rose water or normal water, and you just apply this on your skin. You will see it will use as a natural scrub, and it is very beneficial for your skin. But yes, in the beginning when you have a lot of pimples on the skin, that time if you will apply, don't rub it because it will cause a lot of pain, but you just apply it and leave it for 1 hour, and after 1 hour you just wash it with lukewarm water. You keep it daily, keep doing it daily for 15 days, and you will start seeing the results. It is very beneficial. It is a natural cleanser for your skin, and in that you need not to use these alcohol products, because when you are using this alcohol astringent on your skin, what is happening? Because when you are using these alcohol astringents on your skin, like I said, it will cause a lot of dryness in the skin, and your body thinks like it needs a lot of oil. So, more oil will be produced by the skin. But if you start using this, what I am saying, like little bit of turmeric, make sure don't use excessive turmeric, because if you put excess turmeric in it, it will give yellow color to your skin, which I am sure it will not look good. So, always use a pinch of turmeric in 1 tablespoon of brown chickpea flour. So, this much turmeric is enough, and you can add rose water in it. And if there are not much acne, or they are not very inflamed, you can also add 2-3 drops of lemon into it, and you just apply it, let it dry for 20 minutes, and after that, or 1 hour if you have time, and then wash it with lukewarm water. You will definitely start seeing results in 15 days. But you need to do it continuously, like even for some people, even results start coming in 3rd, 4th day. So, you can try it. It is very beneficial for your skin, especially the skin which is producing excessive oil. Other people can also use it, but for this especially excessive sebum production problems, this is very beneficial. At the same time, after this, how you want to apply some cream or something. So, instead of cream or any artificial cream, what you can do, you take a coconut oil, coconut oil, take a drop of coconut oil, rub in your hand and just apply on your skin, and just leave it as it is. One thing is, coconut oil has a very good amount of vitamin E, which is very nourishing for your skin, and when you apply this oil on your skin, it also gets message like okay, body gets this message, I need not to supply excess sebum production, excess oil to the skin, because oil is already there on the face. So, one drop of oil, it will not cause any kind of stickiness or anything. You can apply it and you will see your skin will start rejuvenating very quickly, because very natural. You are not applying any kind of harmful chemical on the skin, and it will start yielding effects very quickly. But you need to do this face wash twice a day, so that because it is very important to wash face twice a day, and it will protect your natural oils that are already there on your skin, and it will help in healing this excessive sebum production in a natural way. At the same time, if you want to apply some antibacterial on your face, and you do not want your pimples to become flourish too much, so you can use neem powder. In neem powder you can add little bit of rose water or normal water, you make a paste and just apply on your skin. Leave it for 20 minutes and after that wash it with lukewarm water. You will see that your acne, these very dark these very red inflamed acne, they will start subsiding, and it is very beneficial. Neem powder is, I think, available all over the world, because everybody knows its antibacterial properties. It's very beneficial, and antifungal properties. So, it's very beneficial for your skin. You can make use of it. But make sure this neem powder, whichever you are taking, it should be of organic origin, or even if you are taking some product, medical product, try to have more herbal product. Because in herbal product they know how it need to be made and how it need to be used. So, if you have no idea about this, like which neem, you can write down to us. We can also let you know like which medicated neem paste you can use, which is very beneficial. When I am saying medicated, I am saying herbal medicated in Ayurveda terms, not the Western chemically synthesized salts. So, this way you can make use of this neem powder. It is very beneficial for your skin. So, these are the general things which I have told, like which will help you to stop this excessive oil production in the skin. But still there can be many reasons. There can be digestive problems, there can be many other problems which can cause this kind of things. To rule out much deeper cause, if it does not work, then you need proper consultation, because then we need to go for more deeper cause. Maybe the cause is more of hormonal, not the superficial or disturbed vata or pitta kind. So, this can also be done. You can always have Ayurveda consultation with us, which is available online. You can always contact us, or you can write to us. We will guide you how you can do it. So, this is nothing much to worry, but at the same time there are other things which you can do. One and foremost thing is keep your stress away from your mind and from your life. How you can do? Please adopt yoga in your life, especially Isha Yoga. It is very beneficial, because the more classical form of yoga, and which is very beneficial for the people, not especially on their mental level. It is very beneficial. So, I can guide you about Isha Yoga. If you are very new to yoga, you can do this yoga, or if you are doing some other traditional form of yoga, you can continue doing it. But definitely Isha Yoga has very good results. So, you can have this yoga in your life. At the same time, you please try to do some meditation, pranayam. It is very beneficial, because more oxygen will go in our body. That means more cleansing happens, more toxins will be removed from the system, and it is very beneficial for your health. And like the face pack, and never wash your face with warm water, always use lukewarm water for cleaning your face. It is very beneficial. At the same time, you can, if you see like excessive sebum production is there, you can also take a bowl of lukewarm water. You can squeeze half lemon into it, and this water also you can use for washing your face to stop the excessive, to remove the excess oil that is there on your skin. So, it is very because coconut oil, which I have told you, that is thick in consistency little bit. So, next time when you are washing your face, try to wash with half lemon water on your face. It is very beneficial. for washing with this lemon water, it will remove all this oil from your skin, that natural oil that we have put by ourselves, and at the same time it will protect the natural oils of the skin. So that's all for controlling the excess oil from the skin, how we can do it. So that's all for today, and if you like this video, please don't forget to share it with your friends. It would be, maybe it's very beneficial for other people also. And till now, if you have not subscribed our channel, then please take a minute and hit the bell icon, click the subscribe button, so that you stay in tune with us for our upcoming videos and you will not miss anything. Also, if you want to support us, you can join our membership program. So how to do this membership program? There is a join button near subscription. You can always click this join button, and in membership we are providing some exclusive videos which are very beneficial for health. And if you would like to know more deeper aspects of Ayurveda, you can join this membership. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and at the same time I would like to request you, if you like this video, please don't forget to share it with your friends. So with this note, I would like to say, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye. Be happy, don't forget to share. Bye.